Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Natural Bridges, National Monument in southern Utah. I actually drove out here yesterday from Page, Arizona, which it was a 3.5-hour drive to get out here. I'm at the Owachomo Bridge overlook, natural bridge. So there's 3 large natural bridges in this park. And I decided to hit each of the viewpoints first, which are just short walks to see them from above. But to me, that wasn't really enough to see. I really wanted to do a hike that would really show me everything this national monument has to offer. So I'm going to be doing the Under the Bridges Loop Trail, which is about a 9-mile loop trail where you can hike through this canyon over here and actually visit each one of the natural bridges. I'm at the trailhead here now, and this was the final lookout to come at and see the bridges from above, and now it's time to hike to each one of them and see what they're all about, and maybe I can get some cool photos along the way. This is the first natural bridge that I'm visiting here, Natural Bridges National Monument. That is Sipapu Bridge, and man, that is that's a very large natural bridge. It's probably one of the bigger ones I feel like I've seen. This is just kind of a viewpoint above it. There's a trail that goes down, and I'm gonna end up getting down below it, which might be pretty cool to check out. And then I'm gonna hike down this canyon here, which I believe is called White Canyon, and you can probably see why it's called White Canyon. It's all white sandstone. It's pretty awesome. So I'm going to be hiking along that creek once I get down there to get to the other 2 natural bridges. So this is Kachina Bridge here behind me. Pretty massive span. So far both of these have been really amazing. Natural Bridges National Monument was established in 1908 by Theodore Roosevelt. It's actually the oldest national park unit in the state of Utah. It was the very first national monument in the state of Utah. It was actually established the year before Zion National Park. Zion was initially established as a national monument, I believe, in 1909. And later on a national park. But yeah, interesting history. Park has a lot to offer, honestly. This hike through the canyon to see all these bridges is really cool. First time I visit a new place, I'll kind of just do the surface level stuff, the scenic drives, the smaller hikes, the more well-known stuff, and then I'll start to try and dig a little bit deeper and find some of the other stuff, the longer hikes, and get more into the park. And this one's pretty cool so far. One of the cooler national monuments I think I've been to, Natural Bridges. behind me is the Owachomo Bridge, which is the third and final bridge of the day in Natural Bridges National Monument. So this hike ended up being two separate canyon hikes, actually. The canyon between the first and second bridge was called the White Canyon because it's all white sandstone. That was kind of a cool canyon hike. The second one between the second and third bridge, this one is called Armstrong Canyon, I believe, and that was a lot more primitive. Just more brush growth and stuff, and not as interesting to hike, to be honest with you. It took me a while to hike it. I think it's because it's more of a primitive trail, but still well worth the trip. And honestly, this is my favorite view of the three bridges of today. This is pretty awesome with that little pond down there and the bridge off in the distance. Well, what an amazing day from this awesome national monument down here in southern Utah. Natural Bridges National Monument. It's the final natural bridge of the day. I'm pretty tired, but that was an amazing day. Definitely well worth driving 3.5 hours out here from Page, Arizona, for me to come out here for a day. And yeah, I definitely highly recommend visiting this park if you're ever in the area. Definitely check it out. It's pretty cool. But I'm going to leave it at that. If you guys did enjoy today's video, then please subscribe to my channel down below for more videos like this about hiking and landscape photography, national parks, national monuments, all kinds of cool stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.